Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a big unboxing from Coach. Just kidding, just a big box, not a big haul. I mean, I did buy a couple stuff, but I think they sent it out separately. It was from their Coach retail bags dump on Coach outlet website. If you are not aware of it, recently Coach has released a lot of their older retail item on their Coach outlet website for 50 to 60% off. So it was late at night and I couldn't decide what I wanted to get, and I ended up bought a couple of things, and this is one of it. Let's open it up. It's funny how Coach always either use a box that's too big or too small. Look like they're giving me some packing material I could use later. It seems they pack it pretty well this time. Hopefully the bag is flawless and no major damage that I need to do a return. Wish me luck. Look like it's still somewhat factory wrap, but they definitely didn't pack it very well. As you can see, the side kind of warped a little bit and distorted. I'll have to kind of reshape it and stuff it so that it can get back to the shape that it should be. Always fun to remove this handle wrapping. So this is their Horse and Carriage Field Tote 40. It was 50% off, so if you are on my channel a lot, you're probably aware of that. I really like my Field Totes, and Coach Field Tote is one of my favorites. So whenever I see one on sale, I always grab it because I just couldn't resist it. I remember recently seeing a video that Caleb released. He was talking about how or why he ended up buying multiple of same bags. I guess you can say Coach Field Tote is kind of one of the bags that I have been buying multiple. Oh, this one come with a pouch, because I thought the newer version doesn't come with a pouch. I think newer version of Field Tote, they just have internal pocket. They don't have like a separate pouch that come with it. If I could choose, I'd much rather to have this separate pouch that I could use it separately, to be honest. So much packing material. Whew. Oh, wow. It does come with a dust bag. I'm surprised because many times when I bought bags from the outlet, even if it was from their retail, sometimes it doesn't come with a dust bag. So I'm glad this one does come with a dust bag. feel like this process is kind of endless paper to unwrap. So for this Horse and Carriage Field Tote 40, there are two options. I think one is darker color, that it comes with a strap that has kind of maroon edges on it. Maroon is not really my color, so I decided to choose this lighter color version that comes with this back strap, crossbody shoulder strap that has this beige color strap on the side. I think I would prefer this option. Okay, let's see how is the magnetic closure test time. Oh, it's pretty good. I'm so glad it works well. So looking at inside, it's a microfiber lining. It's not leather lining. It's not suede. It's microfiber. So it seems this is kind of a in between generation, I guess, because older Field Tote 40, it came with a pouch, but also the leather version, older version, it was lined with smooth leather. And then this one, they changed it to this microfiber lining. Also still come with the pouch, so it's still kind of older version. And then I'll link that unboxing up here. The latest Field Tote, the Puffle Field Tote that I got, that one is a newer version. It doesn't come with a pouch inside, it just have this internal zipper pockets. So that's kind of the design direction they go for when it comes to Field Tote 40. So I would say this Field Tote 40 definitely a keeper. I know it has a little bit of distortion, but I could easily reshape it. I don't think it would be a big deal. Just have to reshape it a little bit, it should be fine. This is a coated canvas material in case you are not familiar with Coach Field Tote. I like their coated canvas material. It feels pretty thick and substantial, and it seems to be a durable material. And at the bottom it has 4 feet gunmetal color, 4 feet with gunmetal color and pebble leather, another layer of pebble leather at the bottom. So I think this is a good buy with 50% off. I think they may still have this on sale on their Coach outlet website. If you are interested, keep checking. Even if it's out of stock, sometimes it may come back in stock again. Sometimes people return it, or Coach just messing with their restocking, you never know. So if you like this, and if you like that you get an extra pouch with your Field Tote, definitely worth getting this one. I really like that kind of a neutral tone color, and it will be useful for me, and I'll definitely use this tote. Thanks for joining me today for this quick unboxing, and I should have more coming soon. Thanks again, and I'll talk to you again. Bye.